Again, factor. So I want to point out again, you have three separate, whoops, you have three separate expressions. I did it again. And you got to factor each one of them to find out what they have in common factor-wise. So the first one I'm going to do it by grouping. And what do I know right from the get-go? X squared comes out, and you got 2x plus 1 minus a 3 comes out, and you get 2x plus 1. Well, what do you get over there? You get 2x plus 1 times x squared minus 3. All right, that's done. Let's do the next guy. The next guy I'm looking at it's 6x squared plus 19x plus 8. Well, I'm going to give it a shot. And someone says, what do you mean you give it a shot? I'll try something. And by trying something, I don't know, I guess let's try 2x and 3x. And I'm going to say 1 and 8. And does it work? Well, you get 6x squared. 16 plus 3 is 19. 16 plus 3 is 19. That worked good. Yeah, it works fine. Now the last guy, a little bit more of a challenge. It's going to be done by grouping. So I see the first two terms, and I'm going to say 4x squared. And what do you get there? Well, you're going to get 2x plus 3. Well, you know what? That seems like it's not going to work out for me, right? So I'm going to rearrange. And let me see how I'm going to arrange that. So it's not, it was say because I get the 2x plus 3. I'm not going to get that factored using that grouping. So I'm going to erase this guy here. And I'm going to try something else. And I'm going to try the 8, whoops, sorry about that. I didn't mean to do that. I'm going to try the 8x cubed plus 1 and the 12x squared plus 6x. All right, so I did a different group. I actually moved things around because the first thing didn't work out. So if I were to factor that, I'm still going to do it by grouping, by the way. Right, what's the first guy going to factor? It's going to factor 2x plus 1 times 4x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus, how does the second guy factor? 6x. So what do you get over there? 2x plus 1. So I think I know the factorization. It's 2x plus 1 times this plus this. And what does that give me? 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. All right? Let me get my little eraser out. I'm kind of done with that. And let's see. I'm going to see if I can factor the 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Let's write that down, okay? 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. What do you get over there? You do get 4x squared. 2x and 2x is 4x. Yeah, it looks pretty good. The problem comes now is that, what are you looking for? You're looking for a factor that's common. So I'm going to say 2x plus 1 is the only factor common to all three of those expressions. So the greatest common factor is just 2x plus 1. And this is the GCF. All right, let's look at the work. And I noticed in the work I put things down. I got this one written down. I've got this one written down. Got this one written down as well. By the way, you may wonder why I wrote it down as 2x plus 1 quantity cubed. It's really a perfect cube. It really is. And by the way, in some respects, in hindsight, it's recognizable as being a perfect cube. That's easy to say in hindsight. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting something much easier than that. But it's a perfect cube. What's the GCF? 2x plus 1. And we're done. Let me remind you once again, Ron Bannon's my name. Email address is Bannon, B as in boy, the @ NNON.US. Thank you.